Today, we're going to learn about which fruits and vitamins are good for healing bone fracture and why. Fruits and vegetables are not only delicious and nutritious, but they can also help in the healing process of bone fractures. Here are some examples of how fruits and vegetables can benefit bone health. High in vitamin C. Fruits and vegetables such as oranges, kiwis, strawberries, broccoli, and bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, which plays a vital role in collagen formation. Collagen is an essential component of bone tissue and helps in the healing of bone fractures. Rich in calcium. Calcium is essential for strong bones, and many fruits and vegetables are rich in this mineral. Examples include leafy greens like kale and spinach, as well as broccoli, sweet potatoes, and oranges. High in antioxidants, fruits and vegetables are also rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and support overall bone health. Berries, cherries, and leafy greens are some examples of antioxidant-rich produce. Rich in vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone health by regulating the proteins that bind calcium in bones. Green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and collard greens are excellent sources of vitamin K. Low in processed sugar. Consuming too much processed sugar has been linked to increased inflammation, which can delay bone healing. Eating a diet high in fruits and vegetables can help reduce processed sugar intake and promote healing. Overall, consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help support bone health and healing. It's essential to eat a variety of colorful produce to ensure you're getting a range of vitamins and minerals. Incorporating fruits and vegetables into your diet can be as easy as adding berries to your breakfast or packing a salad with a variety of colorful vegetables for lunch.